D. Listen to a part of a lecture and answer the questions.
All right, class. Now that we know a little bit about jazz music, we're going to talk about some jazz musicians. Personally, I think there's no better place to start than with one of my favorites, Duke Ellington. He was born in North Carolina, but he didn't become famous till he moved to, does anyone know?
New York City? He played in Harlem, right?
That's right. Duke Ellington got his first New York City gig at the Cotton Club in Harlem. Harlem was a hot spot for up-and-coming music and musicians back then. Anyway, that's where Duke Ellington started to be well known. So, yeah, after his first gig at the Cotton Club, Duke Ellington got a weekly radio show. And that spread his music everywhere. So then a bunch of famous clientele started to go to the Cotton Club as well. This made the Cotton Club the most famous jazz club in Harlem. Anyway, the Duke made two major contributions to jazz. First of all, he brought jazz music to all corners of the world. His band traveled everywhere to all continents. Secondly, he wrote and recorded hundreds of jazz hits. Can anyone name any famous Duke Ellington songs?
Take the A Train.
That's right. Take the A Train is probably one of his most famous songs. It's a song about the subway line you take in New York City to get up to Harlem and the Cotton Club. Some of the Duke's other famous songs are Rockin' in Rhythm, Satin Doll, New Orleans, and Crescendo in Blue.
1. What is the purpose of this lecture? 2. Where did Duke Ellington play his first major gig?